Oh, I'm gonna get tired. I mean, last year, that's where I ran the snow machine. But I don't like it over there. That's a terrain trap. Yeah. Oh, see? There goes the snowshoe again. Thank you, Tubbs. Thank you for a really excellent product. Oh my goodness. I love it. Let's see how this looks. Oh, that's unfortunate. There's the old snow machine. Looks like some snow got packed underneath that plastic though. Huh. Or frost probably. The wind up there isn't getting less. It's supposed to blow like 40 or 50 up there. And I just saw down low on the glacier a great big snow cloud get kicked up. So I might need to get moving here, rather than tangle up into trying to get this place all opened up. I know where I stand. I got a lot of shoveling to do. I'll come back, get that snow machine going, and make a trail. Time to boot pack it for the airplane, I think. I don't like running away ahead of the wind, but I really don't like getting stuck up here. When the hut's done, that'll be kind of fun. Not sure what to do with that insulation. A weather lesson, if you care to know. So today, at about 10,000 foot, it was going to blow really hard. Now those peaks are, I think, just over 10. I think those are 10 or 11. And you can see, you know, it's starting to come apart up there. And it's moving this way. There's actually a line. Believe it or not, it's cutting across, like, but it's consistently moving this way. And by 4 o'clock, it got pretty ugly up here. It was full on. Now, you never know how much of that's going to reach the valley floor. That's like the $1 million question. Obviously, the wind can blow here. You can see the drift. You saw the roof of the hut. So I'm trying to beat what I saw on windy TY. So that was in the back of my head. All that wind today brings in clouds and precip tomorrow. So they say. That's what the forecast is. So today was kind of my day to come up here and have a look. I didn't even know if I'd be able to land because of the wind. It could have just been too turbulent in here. I've seen that. But today it was beautiful. I mean, it's dead calm. Totally dead calm. But how long is the dead calm going to last, you know? I'm leaving before the wind starts to blow, so I don't have to try to take off out of here with a tailwind. And that's why I packed such a long runways, because I knew that forecast, right? And because I like long runways, don't get me wrong. So anyways, yeah, that's my thought process. But I'm gonna fly over to our Sheep Mountain house, which is just a few minutes away. And yeah, we're hooking up the plumbing system there today, and pretty soon I'll be able to sleep there. And that makes this place so much more accessible for me, so. I've been offline for a bit. You know, I started making videos the first of the year. I haven't released any videos, I think, in like a month now. Maybe more. But it's because I'm trying to finish that house. But now we're going to try to get the siding on the hut. It's it's March 27th. And in the month of April, I want to get the hut sided. We'll see. All right, let's go. Let's beat the wind. I think we'll beat the wind. Back at the hut, it's March. No, it isn't, it's April 1st. It's 2 o'clock, April 1st. My buddy Nick is here to help me dig. I have 3 GoPros. The battery percentages are exactly this: 9%, 5%, and 11%. So it's gonna be a short day, but we'll capture a little bit of it. Yes, I know they make spare batteries. Thanks for telling me, but we're gonna do what we can with what we got. We hope today to dig this out, access the snow machine, make a trail to the airplane. Look at that. GoPro battery died, so we're on the phone now. And here's my old buddy. Let's see here. Oh, I feel it prime. These things are awesome. That went very well. Okay, life's gotten a little rowdy, but we are still plowing ahead here. I still have the engine, the old engine from the Super Cub sitting here. 100-hour on the 185. Flying to Sheep Mountain, meeting a helicopter. We're gonna sling load in all the insulation and the wall sheeting and the water tanks. So that's today's goal. It is April 13th. April 13th, 8:45 a.m. Here we go. Okay, we're at the Sheep Mountain house. Magic Metals hooked us up. We don't know if it's the smartest thing, but that's the wainscot. That's the bottom 4-foot perimeter. That is mild steel or hot rolled steel. We're bundled up. 5 loads for the helicopter. Headed for the plane. For 19 years, summers, 19 summers. Oh, so if that falls right now,
yeah. Where are you going, baby? Nowhere. Oh, it's nice out here.
Snow machine weathered pretty good. Insulation. It's been a little while. It's what is it? It's April 13th still. Helicopter's coming. We better hurry.
Oh, I know why it looks so big, because the last time I saw it didn't have a sauna on it.
Yeah, right. The sauna's new, buddy. Well, we're here, and so far so good. The Tundra, we had to ride it full throttle to get it here, of course, up the hill. But we're hoping to set all the sling load stuff right here. There it is, buddy. Oh, it looks like the metal. Good.
Hey, it might help if you give it.
water tank is here. Got 2 of those. Yeah, I guess we're doing something. So we're doing something. Let's go see if that water tank fits through the big door.
Well, I was thinking you get on that side to keep it from
Taking the scenic route.
and then just go right against the house. Hold on.
Will that tank fit through that hole? No. That's okay. We just gotta cut out a little more. We planned for this. Because we can drag it around this corner real easy from here.
Go around, that's good.
42. 42 and a quarter. So, and then this is nice and easy. The screw right there sticking out. Okay, go ahead.
Got it?
Yep.
It's 4 o'clock already.
Okay. So I know I didn't go very steep on this roof, and I've been worried about that. Probably a foolish choice, but I don't know. I guess I could always put metal on it or do something else. I did Grace Ice and Water Shield the whole thing, but anyways, we have a drip inside. It's coming around the chimney. So I decided to shovel this all out, let it melt. We'll peel up this ice. Try to get that drip stopped, but that's kind of sad. And the inside of that hut must warm up pretty good during the day. But that's worth doing, isn't it? No?
I mean, it's going against the building.
Can I shovel it out in like 5 minutes?
Down there?
Yeah.
Probably.
There is a fair bit of snow up here.
Yeah.
Maybe it is. There it is, I think. Didn't I just see it? Or is it? Yeah. Gosh. That's close. But that's going to be some funny audio. Oh, yeah. See, here's that water leak. It's pretty bad. It's coming from up there. And then here's the insulation we got here so far. I'm going to fly the rest out in the Super Cub. Okay, then we may not be here on the next run if Robert doesn't mind unhooking.
No.
And Mark, if you could set it just like right out here. Cool beans, thanks dude. Okay, we're headed for the plane. Some of the things we did today was we received 4 helicopter loads so far. A 5th one is coming. It's most of the, it's half the insulation. The sheeting, the wall sheeting. A couple of water tanks. And now they're coming in with the steel I-beam for the loft. A ladder and all the trim package for the siding. So here we are, headed for the barn. It is 4:58, 5 p.m. April 13th. Ouch, that was my head. Fine, buddy? Haven't been up here in a couple weeks. Look at the size of that avalanche. I meant to get back up here much sooner, but life happened and I didn't. So here I am, it's 12:30 on April 27th. Almost no progress this spring on the hut, but we got the house at Sheep Mountain done, and yeah, just a lot of stuff, unexpected stuff happened, and so here we are. But I still got a load full of junk here, solar panels, some cardboard for the roof, a generator's in there. So I'm gonna offload this. I might be a little stuck here, but not bad. So yeah, here we go. Shnikes, it's not great. This snow done gone isothermic. We don't little snow machine down the hill. Oh, come on, old Bess. Oh, you piece of junk. Start. You know how to tell that I'm having a good time? I'm wearing snowshoes on the snow machine. Now that's a good time. That's unfortunate. Should have seen that coming, I guess. Can't say I got much done. But I needed some time just to look everything over and think and remember what I have out there with screws and saws. And boy, this is great. I left my snowshoes on the snow machine. Whew. Ay, ay, ay. So that was it, I guess. Got a little bit done today, but I'm gonna get out of here, go home.
May 4th, 2023. It's called Skip and Ski. School or the hut? Let's go to the hut. It's the end of working on the hut in the spring of 23. And we didn't get done what I had planned to get done. We had a broken leg in the family. We had a major mechanical on the Cessna 185. We had I got strep throat. Between those three items, I lost over 2 weeks of work. And so that was that. So we're actually out here today just to put everything away and call it a year on the hut for the spring work. We'll be out here in the summer, but kind of sad. Not sad, just life, the way it goes, but we'll get her done. But Allie skipped school with me today. We got all this material, like we were gonna get this hut sided this spring. We had, I had big plans. It was gonna look like a different building right now, but alas. All right, we're gonna get busy. We're gonna put all this metal underneath the hut. We're gonna put the snow machine underneath the hut. We're gonna batten down the hatches, and I will be back in June. It is May 4th, 2023. Yep. Let's stack it right in here. Allie, how old are you?
13.
That's old enough to carry a steel I-beam, ain't it? Nice and easy. Can you see the door?
Oh.
Nice.
Not bad.
Sweet. Yeah. She should probably be at school, but not really. She's such a good worker. Huge help on days like this. I just hardly have any gumption. I'm recovering from getting sick and I just got no energy. Good thing I got Al. Good work.
Tired. Not used to being tired. After a month of not doing that, it's hard.
Is Mom picking you up early?
No. I don't know if today was the day. She might. I'm not sure.
Well, don't you have a PT appointment?
Yeah, but I don't know if she's picking me up early or not. It might. I don't know if it's at 3:30 or not. Probably is.
You gonna ski again, or are we gonna go home, get you to school?
Hmm.
That's the plan. It's gonna take you to school.
I have like 2 classes left. Math just ended. I don't care. Like, I would rather be doing this. Like, let's rather be doing this.
Oh, this thing's still running. Oh yeah, this video needs a closing scene. This is the closing scene.